If you don't do your warm-ups, you will not sprint very well, right? That kind of thing. So all of this, and at the same time, you also need to back kick as well.
I think since we're on this topic, so I want to talk about whatever you just mentioned is really just OKR in a nutshell.
Yeah.
Having an objective, running better, climbing better. That's your objective. The objective is climbing better. But being able to objectively track whether you have made progress and having data is breaking down into the key results, right? Climbing better means what? I can lift whatever weight, I can finger press whatever weight, I can pull up whatever weight, right?
There
That's
must be a number.
A number, right?
Yes,
for example.
must be a number.
No, I completely agree with that. So I think, how do we link that back to motivation?
No, because like motivation actually will drop if you are not measuring anything.
That's correct.
You say, I want to run faster, but you never time.
What is faster?
Yeah,
right?
what is faster?
Today
Exactly.
I feel like I ran faster, but I don't know, right?
Exactly. So,
yeah, and I think humans, for myself as well, I like to be able to see, like you said, you can see, wow, here's a matrix or like a checklist on here's what it takes to be a better climber. It's very clear in front of you.
Exactly.
That,
I love it, man.
I like it, right?
Yeah,
I'm level 1 on this thing, but I'm level 5 on this thing, you know?
Exactly.
It's nice.
And then the last thing, commitment-wise, right, the shiny object syndrome, right?
Yep.
I feel that it really boils down to your intrinsic motivation, what you really want to, because everybody has different motivation. For example, running, right? My motivation is to my specific motivation is to do a 1 mile run, 2.4 kilometers run, sub 10 minutes. So that is 9:59. And it's a very hard goal, and it's something that I'm really motivated, right? And then the thing is that sometimes people just don't want it because it's not motivating to them, which I think is fine. But sometimes people see other things. And to be honest, right, if they're not motivated in the goal itself, I think it's fine also. I don't think there's nothing wrong in changing your goals, right? But it's just that you won't reach success,